Today we're going to show you how to install a wheel assembly on your dishwasher rack. It's a very easy procedure. All you need is your two hands. Well, if you look closely at this wheel, you'll see that there's a little clip that wraps around the wire of the rack. We need to just spread that a bit, push it off, and it will slide right off of there. Open up our dishwasher, and we'll pull that lower rack out. And look, there's that broken wheel right there. Slides off. Pretty simple. Snap the clip back into place. We're done. It was easy, wasn't it?